our newest listing in Waterloo, South Carolina, which was formerly the Rowan-esque Golf Course. We're standing in front of the Clubhouse here. Look at these covered porches. They're amazing. We just wanted to tell you a little bit about our listing today and show it to you while we're out here. So we're standing down here on the 18th hole just to give you an overview of the property. This parcel is 159.94 acres. There is 9 ponds on the property. 7 of those ponds are stocked. This was an 18-hole golf course, so it is a fully functioning area that could be reopened up as a golf course. It could also be used to be developed. The owner owns a 47-acre parcel that adjoins this property. He's selling with this property. It can be purchased all together for over 200 acres, but look at the view from here.
The clubhouse has approximately 5,000 square feet, has public water and a commercial kitchen. You will see loads of wildlife including turtles, deer, geese, blue heron, and some wild turkeys too. The ponds are stocked with largemouth bass, brim, and some catfish. On the property are several maintenance buildings, 3 bored wells, 3 septic tanks, you will absolutely love the covered porches. Can you imagine having your morning coffee or a glass of wine at the end of your long day, overlooking all of this beautiful land? I could. Call today and schedule your appointment to view this beautiful property before somebody else snatches it up.